In this video, I will walk you through your purchasing assignment for Chapter 4, Poultry Products. On this first page, you will find an optional worksheet. Again, this is where you can record all of your information to be able to reference off of the pricing guide. My first step is to look at the requisition on page 2. Here is the requisition. These are the items that the poultry kitchen has requested be moved from the central storage unit to their kitchen. Here you can see chicken breast boneless, skinless, 6 ounce, controlled vacuum packed, fresh or frozen. Again, 40 pounds is what they need. And it continues on. My first step here is to highlight all of these items and to copy and paste this to the original worksheet above. Now that I know the items I will need to find, my next step is to go to my purchasing pricing guide and find these particular items. Here on the Cisco purchasing pricing guide for poultry, I'm first looking for those 6 ounce chicken breasts. As I go through here, I see chicken controlled vacuum packed breasts, whole bone-in random. I see down here chicken breast boneless skinless 4 ounce. Here the chicken breast boneless skinless whole 6 ounce. That sounds about right, but notice the word whole. This is giving me a whole chicken breast, which means 2 lobes together, totaling 6 ounces each. Those are really tiny chicken breasts. So I'm going to continue to scroll down. I see some 5 ounce. Oh, right here. Here are my chicken breast boneless skinless 6 ounce controlled vacuum pack. Exactly what I'm looking for. It comes in 4 5-pound bags and is $81.25 per case. So that's 4 5-pound bags in that case. The number of units is 20 pounds, and the case cost is $81.25. The cost per unit, then, I can determine as a price per pound. $81.25 divided by the 20 pounds gives me a price per pound. $4.06. I'm going to leave that 0.25 there. That is my price per pound. I have continued through the pricing guide then and identified all of the items found in red here that are needed for my requisition. I have highlighted them and kept them in red to easily identify them as I continue to reference this sheet. My next step then is to take all the information from this pricing guide and transfer it to my worksheet. Here you can see I included the random chicken breasts, 4 10-pound bags. It's 40 pounds as my unit, $72.08 is my case cost. So I took the $72.08 divided by 40 to get my price per pound. Here I have my chicken leg quarters. Again, 4 10-pound bags, 40 pounds total for $37.97. $37.97 divided by my 40 pounds will give me my 95 cents per pound. My chicken tenders, 2 5-pound bags. Again, what is my unit? I'm going to say 10 pounds. I don't need to know how many chicken tenders are in there for the requisition. The price then is $35.45 for the entire case, allowing me a price of $3.54 per pound. Chicken thighs. Here we have 24 5-ounce chicken thighs. So what is my unit? I'm going to say 24 thighs. I want to know what the price per thigh is over here. So getting my calculator, 25.13 divided by the 24 thighs, now I have $1.05 per thigh. That is the information I want here, because if I end up having a couple thighs left over, I'd want to know what the price is here versus the price per pound and having to convert that amount later on. Here you have chicken thigh, boneless, skinless, 20-pound average, so I'm going to keep that unit as 20 pounds. Here I have the price per pound. For whole chickens, my unit is 16 chickens. even though here I have the price per pound, this is what was given on the pricing guide. I'd also like to include here what a price per chicken would be. So I have my price per pound times my 3 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and use my 1.499 times my 3 pounds to give me about $4.50 per chicken. You can continue on with your whole ducks here, similarly to how you did your whole chickens. 6 whole ducks, again my unit would be 6 ducks, and then I would figure out my price per duck. Again, taking this price per pound, times I would say 6 pounds to make sure that you're accounting for enough of the cost. Next we have your duck breasts that are coming as 6 to 7 ounce duck breasts. This you can do similarly to how you did your chicken thighs above. 32 duck breasts, and here I have the price per pound. I would take my $11 and 115 divided by 16 to give me my price per ounce. Now I'm going to multiply times 7 ounces, because again I want to go on the high side, and that gives me $4 and I'm going to say 87 cents per duck breast. Again, this is an amount I can use as I'm looking down and a certain amount of breasts are ordered, or a certain amount of breasts are left over. Here you have the quail eggs. They are listed on your pricing guide as 1-15EA. That means there are 15 quail eggs in that case. $6.49 for 15 eggs. $6.49 divided by 15 would give me my price per egg. Here you have your whole guinea hen. There's 8 of them. They're each 2.75 pounds on the average. Ground turkey. Here I have 4 5-pound packages. That would give me 20 pounds as my units, and I do have here the total case price. Notice I wrote estimated here when this was an estimated price that Cisco Pricing Guide generated for us. Otherwise, these are case costs, so this is the total cost here. I could divide this by 20 pounds in order to give me the price per pound. So 23.56 divided by 20. Be careful, most of our ground meats have been 10 pounds so far. This would give me 1.178 per pound for my turkey ground. Once you have recorded all of your information on this worksheet and located each of the specific items you are going to purchase from Cisco, now you're ready to move on to your food requisition order and do a cost analysis. I will include your next steps on how to work out this requisition cost in our next video. Thank you.